Welcome back to my channel. This is Makeup by Nye. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is a highly requested video of my evergreen eyeshadow makeup that I had in my fall favorites video. I will leave that link down below. But thanks for tuning in, and let's get into the video.
Jumping right into the video, I'm taking the Anastasia Subculture palette in the shade Axis. And I'm taking that on a Morphe M441 brush, as you will see. And I'm just going to start by packing this onto my eyelid.
And taking the same eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to slightly buff out the edges around the packed shadow just to give it that blown out effect. Then on my Morphe M562 brush, I'm going to take the shade Untamed from the Subculture palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just going to take this shade so I can buff out the lid color that I packed onto my eyes and give my eyes that depth and blown out effect that I want. Now see, this look was honestly inspired from like a remake of Kim Kardashian. I think she had a look similar to this with the sleek ponytail. If y'all getting that vibe from this look, let me know in the comments, because that's the inspo I'm going for when I was creating this look. As we blend away to the guys, I just want to also take this moment to go follow me on my Instagram, my Snapchat, and my Twitter. That will be all listed down below, but just in case you needed that reminder. Again, I'm just going to take that shade Untamed. We're going to do the same thing that we did to the eye before on that Morphe M562 brush. And just buff out the edges so it doesn't look harsh and give my eyes that blown out effect. And I recommend my Morphe brushes, of course, because they are only $8. $8 per brush. Like, that's a steal. I mean, they have better brushes, you know, in the makeup industry, like the Smith Cosmetic brushes. Those are great brushes, but those are very expensive brushes. So if you want to start off building your collection, I recommend Morphe white fiber brushes. I'm taking the shade Cube from that palette, and it is a pearlescent white shade. It's going to come off pink, but it is white on camera. And I'm just going to take that on a Sephora 206 brush, double-ended brush. You can find these at Sephora. Look, it is a regular old packing brush. And I'm just going to take that shade Cube and pack it in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to take my Boss Mood 35M palette by Morphe Cosmetics, and I'm going to take that champagne shade up in my top left quadrant, and I'm just going to put that on top of the Cube shade just to give it that extra pop, because see how I give it pink, but I don't want it to be too pink on my lids for this look. But y'all get the picture, right? Yeah. Then I'm just going to take some 3D minks that I'm trying out at the moment. And I'm just going to take, of course, my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. And I'm just going to pop these on my lid. These are very natural lashes for this look, because you don't want nothing too overpowering. And that's why I try to tell a lot of people, like, you don't have to wear 25mm lashes all the time. Sometimes lashes don't go with that look. So these are very natural to go with the look.
And also, if y'all want an in-depth eyebrow or eyelash tutorial, let me know in my comments below. I mean, everybody have their own way to put on eyelashes and eyebrows, but if y'all want to know how I put on eyelashes, comment down below.
Then, of course, I'm going to take my Olay Eyes Ultimate Eye Cream. Again, I explained why I love this product. And I'm just going to take it and focus it underneath my eyes. But, of course, I'm going to take the excess and smear it all over my face to give it that extra priming effect. I was probably not doing a lot, but in my head, it's doing a whole lot of covering and priming. Then I'm going to take my Morphe M44 buffing foundation brush. This is a very dense brush, by the way. It is a great buffing brush. It really buffs my concealer into my skin, giving it that buttery, you know, smooth effect, nothing too cakey. But the only downside about this brush is it can't really fit underneath my under eyes to blend out that concealer under there. But I'm just going to have to take a separate brush to blend that away. But for the most part, I do like this brush. It's very dense. I don't recommend it on use of people though, because it's very thick and they might think you're trying to like pop them in the face. But as you can see, you can really buff the product away and melt it into your skin. The black opal stick in the shade chestnut, or as my sister Shark will say, black opal. But I'm just going to take this to slightly bronze my face up. This is not going to be a real harsh contour as a full glam look would you normally have. But this is just going to give my face that bronze look that the concealer took away. Taking my e.l.f. buffing brush. As y'all seen, I love these brushes. Again, y'all can still send me these brushes. They're $6 at Walgreens, but I'm just using that to buff out the contour I just laid down in the shade Chestnut by Black Opal. And I really just take buffing motions to make sure everything melts into my skin. And then I'm going to take this beautiful blue e.l.f. eyeliner I found at Target. And I'm just going to pop that in the inner parts of my waterline to give my eyes the extra pop. Because as you will see, you should know that like certain colors make brown eyes pop. And so I just figured this blue is just going to make my eyes look more eccentric and electric. Yes. And then I'm just going back with that cube shade and popping that inner corner highlight back into my eyes as it got washed away. Then, of course, y'all know I'm taking my Airspun Translucent Powder. This was also in my fall favorites. I love this powder. This has been in my collection since I started doing makeup. So, of course, we're going to cut my cheek and give my face that lifted look as it does so well. Love this. And then we're going to snatch my nose. Ooh, I'm going to look like a pharaoh on a throne. Look at that. Gorgeous.
And while we're baking and snatching this nose, I still need y'all to make sure that y'all go like this video. And let me know if y'all like these type of videos that I'm recording like this in this setting, in this format, these voiceovers. I need to know all this stuff. I'm trying to create content for you. So let me know.
And again, the trick with using baking powder, you must brush off the excess and then go on top with a foundation shade powder. And of course, I'm taking the star of the show, the Fenty Milk Balm Highlighter. I love this highlighter so much because it gives your skin that appearance of looking wet. I love that. It's on some like real editorial type stuff, and I love this product. Look at that gleam, that glow. Then I'm taking on a microfiber brush. I'm not sure. I'm going to leave it placed in the description down below. And I'm just taking the shade Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty in the Body Lava. And I'm just placing it all over my décolleté and around my neck to give my skin that glowing appearance.
Well, that is it for this tutorial. This is my EverGreen eyeshadow Kim K inspired makeup tutorial. Let me know if y'all like these kind of videos, these type of edits, these looks. I need to know all of that information. Thank you so much for watching. This is again Makeup by Nye. Please like, comment, and subscribe.